Hi, I'm Lagan. Just wanted to make a quick video to introduce you to the Lagan Wrist Saver. The Lagan Wrist Saver is something I developed to improve the ergonomics of the right hand on the soprano saxophone specifically. Through grad school, I found that I was often finding my thumb on top of this alternate F-sharp key cup. Moving it up higher on the instrument made the hand position much more comfortable. So this device allows you to move the entire thumb hook up higher on the instrument to alleviate some of that crooked hand position. And it also opens up the hand position into a more natural C shape, makes the soprano feel more like an alto or a tenor, which is super beneficial. So this is something that fits on modern Yamahas. I have a version for modern Selmers, Mark VI sopranos, as well as Yanagasawa sopranos. I've got them in an all brass model as well as a lightweight plastic model with brass hardware. And it uses the same thumb hook you've got, whether it's the stock hook that came on the instrument or if you've got an aftermarket one, like this is the Woodstone Type 2 thumb hook, works with any of those, and it greatly improves the ergonomics of the right hand. So let's get to how to install this thing and how it works.
So the only tool we need for this is a flathead screwdriver that has a large blade, and I think a short screwdriver is better. Undo the screw that's holding on the thumb hook and take off all of the pieces with it and set them aside. Then taking the wrist saver out of the bag, you have to disassemble the two brass pieces. You hold the large wheel and unscrew the smaller piece with your other hand. Now, if the large wheel doesn't come out of here easily, like on the Yamaha model, that's actually a good thing. Just leave it there. Next, take the small piece, slide it up underneath, and hold it in place with your index finger. Then set the whole assembly back on top, and that screw is going to screw into the piece that you're holding underneath. It can be kind of tricky with the shield if your instrument has one. Start with your fingers and then go to the screwdriver, and you can line everything up before tightening fully. From here, put the big wheel back in if you took it out in the first place. And then you're going to line up the top of the wrist saver with the neck strap ring and slide it on. And then all you have to do is screw the big wheel by hand to attach the entire assembly to the instrument. And that's it. From here, you can experiment with where to put the thumb hook, loosening slightly and then sliding it all the way up or all the way down. I think the sweet spot is somewhere in the middle, but everybody's different. So you have a lot of options here. When you're done, you can get the screwdriver back out and tighten it again. So this isn't going to fit in a stock soprano case. So you're going to have to take it off by hand, undo the big screw, and the whole assembly comes off. Drop it in the bag, and you can store it in your case. Some double cases, you won't need to do this, but you'll have to check carefully and see first.
So with the wrist saver, you have about 1.5 inches of space to experiment moving the thumb hook up and down on the instrument, as well as the option to knock the thumb hook out to the sides. There are a lot of possibilities to find the perfect fit for you. Everyone's hands are different, but there's tons of options to find a good fit. I've had people with small hands and large hands alike find benefit with the product, as well as people that used curved or straight neck on the soprano. So there are a lot of options, and I encourage you to give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll play you out.